Just put lime inside the mask and you'll never have this problem again. That's right, folks. After this tip, you'll never spend money again on expensive products to keep your bathroom clean and fresh. So first, you'll need a lime. Don't use lemon for this. Use lime, which is more acidic, all right? And then, go ahead and cut the lime in half. And then, you're going to cut it like this. Into smaller pieces. You can chop the whole lime. And take a look. It's going to stay like this. Now, let's set it aside real quick. And next, this is what you're going to do. Get a disposable face mask like this one. You can even get a used one for this, no problem. It's even better, so you save even more money. And then, let's do the following. With the scissors, let's cut it right here at one of the edges. Okay, you can cut it right here. But don't throw this part away just yet. Before this, go ahead and remove this piece of string, because we're going to use it in just a moment. Now let's open the mask like this. And then go ahead and gather lime cubes. Now let's put them inside the mask, all right? Let me put it here. And check this out. Just like that, folks. Now we're going to use the piece of string. But first, just twist it up like this. See? Pretty easy. Then, just take the piece of string and use it to tie very well. And now, let's just trim it off. See, folks? Now our tip is ready. Let's get to the bathroom to see how it works. And here, let's do the following. First, open your toilet tank. Careful with the cover. And now, let's get our bag. And then, just place it here, like this. And now, folks, this is what's going to happen. Every time we flush it, a little of the lime essence will be released down the toilet. And if you didn't know, lime is an excellent antibacterial. It is also great for cleaning purposes, for killing germs, and also removing bad odors. Therefore, this is the perfect option for you to keep your toilet always clean, and especially to remove that strong and bad smell of urine. Instead of keep spending on expensive products, which sometimes still don't remove the bad odor, then this one could be your solution. And now just put the cover back in place, and every time you flush it, a little bit of the lime essence will come out, keeping your toilet fresh and clean. It's also going to help to remove stains, and especially bad odor. This can completely eliminate all urine smell. It's a very simple, cool tip that will definitely save your money, and it's going to totally help you in your daily life.